Hello and welcome to another episode of CDN Observability powered by Hydrolix. My name is Arijit Ghosh and I am the head of technical marketing at Hydrolix. One of the core strengths of the Hydrolix platform is that it makes it very quick and easy to do root cause analysis of operational issues. It achieves this by correlating events across multiple systems as well as go from a high-level view to a deeply granular view in just a few clicks. Let's see this in action. We will first see how we can correlate data between the CDN and WAF logs to identify potential causes for concern. Let's focus on the panel in the top right corner. The red rectangle to the left represents the number of requests that were blocked by WAF. The orange rectangle to the right represents the number of requests that were served a 403. That means the CDN understood what the users were requesting, but refused to provide a response because the user lacks the necessary permissions. The fact that these numbers are not equal represents a problem. That means there are requests that should have been blocked by WAF, but were not. From here on, you can do further investigation. For example, you can look at what resources were requested and what IPs the requests were coming from, and you can update your WAF rules accordingly. Now let's see how easily you can go from a high-level view to a deeply granular view in just a few clicks. The graph here represents the total number of requests that were made to a CDN asset. You can filter this data by specifying predicates in this text box. Each predicate corresponds to a log field. For example, you can specify the response code equals to 403, and you will notice that the graph underneath gets filtered based on that value. The more filters you specify, the more granular the view gets. Once you have zeroed in on the offending request, you can look at the raw data right here. And this will give you all the information that you need to identify the problem. Now imagine your content delivery infrastructure. You are probably using multiple origins, thousands of edges, millions of clients, parent tiers, and maybe even multiple CDNs. There are so many ways things can go wrong. How helpful would it be if you could detect and analyze every single one of those incidents in seconds with just a few clicks before it impacted your business? That's the power of the Hydrolix platform. To learn more, I invite you to come visit us at hydrolix.io. Thanks for watching the video.